Hello everyone, welcome back. First of all, let me show you my real trading account. Now let's select our indicator. Today we're using the MACD indicator. Next we'll select the EUR-USD currency pair. So we're going to place a seal trade. Now, let's talk about the MACD indicator. MACD is one of the most popular trend-following indicator. Helps traders identify the direction of the market and the strength of momentum. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line with bullish confirmation, it can indicate a potential buy opportunity. That's exactly why we entered this trade. Always remember, never rush into a trade. Be patient and stay calm. Emotional trading often leads to poor decisions while waiting for proper confirmation, and following your strategy can help you achieve more consistent results. As you can see, our first trade has ended in a win. Now let's move to our second trade. We'll select the USD-CHF currency pair. This time the MACD indicator is giving us a sell signal, so we're placing a sell trade. Just as I explained earlier, you can clearly see how the MACD indicator is providing a bearish confirmation. That's why we confidently entered this sell trade. As you can see, our second trade has also ended in a win. If you also want to improve your trading skills, receive daily free Telegram trading signals, and learn trading step by step, join our free Telegram channel today. The link is available in the description.